more and more people today are paying attention to how food affects their health. But what many don't realize is that traditional Chinese medicine takes food beyond just nutrition. It's not just about eating health. It's a systematic way of maintaining balance in the body, improving energy flow, and preventing disease. I'm Dr. Dai from Kensington, London. While we specialize in natural health solutions based on traditional Chinese medicine, we combine ancient wisdom with modern science to help people live healthier, more balanced lives. Today, I want to take you through the philosophy of TCM food therapy, explain how it works, and most importantly, show you a simple way to incorporate this powerful food into your daily meals. If you are curious about how food can be used to restore balance in the body, stay with me, and if you have any question or experience to share, feel free to drop a comment. In modern nutrition, food is often broken down into carbohydrate, fat, and vitamin. People focus on calories and nutrition, hoping to remain healthy through number and portion control. But in traditional Chinese medicine, food isn't just about fuel, it's about balance. Every food has a unique nature, and in TCM, we categorize them based on two key principles: temperature and taste. The temperature of food, whether it's warm, hot, cool, or cold, determines how it interacts with the body. Cooling food, such as green beans and bitter melon, help to clear excess heat from the body and reduce inflammation. They are great for people who tend to overheat easily, get acne, or experience restlessness. Warming food like lamb and ginger support circulation and boost energy. They are especially helpful for those who always feel cold, have low energy, or experience cold hand and feet. Then we have five flavors: sour, sweet, bitter, spicy, and salty, which influence the body in different ways. Some food like hawthorn and black plum support digestion and circulation. Sweet food such as red dates and Chinese yam nourish energy and blood, helping those who feel weak and tired. Eat food like dandelion and dark leaf greens detoxify the body and support liver. Spicy food including garlic and cinnamon improve circulation and warm the body. Salty food like seaweed and miso support kidney function and help return necessary fluid. Now think of your body as a car. Different types of cars require different kinds of fuel. If you put strong fuel into the engine, the car won't run efficiently. It's the same with our body. If someone naturally run cold and eat too many cooling food, they might experience bloating, fatigue, and poor circulation. But if someone has too much heat in their system and keeping eating spicy or fried food, they might experience dry skin, restlessness, or even digestive discomfort. By choosing food that matches your body's need, you can maintain balance and support long-term health. A lot of people think that Chinese medicine only involves herbal precautions or long hours of boiling bitter brew. That actually, many of the most powerful ingredients in TCM are already part of our daily meals. Some of the most commonly used food in TCM, including hawthorn, dried tangerine peel, goatberry, and lacy mushroom. Let's start with hawthorn. Lacy are an amazing ingredient for digestion. In TCM, we believe that when food enters the stomach, it needs strong digestive energy to break down and absorb the nutrition. If the energy-rich food can stay too long in the stomach, lead to bloating, gas, and discomfort. Hawthorn helps stimulate digestion, making it perfect for those who feel sluggish after eating heavy or greasy meals. Hawthorn is also known for promoting circulation, which makes it especially beneficial for those who experience blood stagnation. Signs of this include dull skin, cold hand and feet, or painful menstrual cramps. Another great ingredient is dried tangerine peels, also called tenpi. Unlike fresh peels, its tangerine peel develops stronger medicine properties over time. It helps regulate digestion, reduce bloating, and clear darkness from the body. Many people group it with ginger to create a warming tea that soothes the stomach and reduces phlegm. Now let's talk about gooseberry. They are widely known as a superfood, but in TCM they have been used for centuries to nourish the liver, strengthen eyesight, and boost energy. They are even better with paired with dried date and chrysanthemum flower to create a tea that helps relieve eye strain and support immunity. And then there's Rishi mushroom or Lingzi. This is one of the most powerful immune boosting food in Chinese medicine. It helps regulate stress, improve sleep, and strengthen body's natural defense. If you often feel fatigue, run down, or struggle with poor sleep, drinking Rishi tea regularly can help restore balance. It is London. We take these powerful ingredients and combine them with modern convenience. We offer herbal supplement and wellness formula will help you easily integrate TCM nutrition into your daily life. If you are wondering how to start using this ingredient, one simplest way is by drink herbal tea. A great one is to try is dried date, ginger, and long tea, which is perfect for warming the body, improving circulation, and reduce fatigue. Let's go over why these three ingredients work so well together. Red date helps nourish qi and blood, making them great for those who feel tired or need post-menstrual recovery. Ginger warms the stomach, promotes circulation, and helps relieve menstrual discomfort. Long calms mind, improving sleep, and nourishes the heart. Making this tea is simple. Take 5 white dates, remove the pit, slice 3 pieces of ginger, and 3 London fruits. Pour 500 ml of hot water over the ingredient and simmer for about 10 minutes. For added benefit, you can include gooseberry or honey. This tea is especially beneficial in the morning or empty stomach to help warm up the body, or at night to promote relaxation before sleep. If you are unsure about body type and what food suits you best, then the London offers online competition to help guide you in selecting the best TCM dietary plan. Eating isn't just about choosing the right food, it's about understanding what your body needs and maintaining balance. If you ever try TCM food therapy, what's your go-to ingredient? Do you have a favorite herbal tea or recipe that help you feel your best? Let me know in the comments. And if you find this information helping, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Kensington London for more insight on TCM, nutrition, and holistic health. See you in the next video.